Have to translate a little too. You don't have to. Just come here. Just follow me. Look at all the takenoko coming out. So this is where the lawnmower is kept. Comes out. Well, you got this lever right here. Oops. And I put gas in. I'll put some gas in here shortly. The oil should be fine. Oil's good. But there's no, just gotta pull it. Turn it off. And this moves by itself. You could go ahead and say it in Japanese.
もうそれ説明した。
Huh?
説明しI
You already
already
did?
told him.
Oh, okay.
It moves itself.
Okay, well then, all you gotta do is, this one's a little funny. It's like you, oh. Yeah. You just gotta, you need it. Go, it's not cutting. This is to push. So to mow and push, I'll do it over here. That's that. All right. Oh, and when, especially when you do the back, it will get full like on the bottom, so you have to like tilt it over and just clean it. Over here is the weed eater. Are you coming this way?
Oh, I thought you were gonna come out.
Well, I will over here. Let's just see. So I'm sure he knows how to use this.
It's Japanese でしょ?
Yeah, but the only thing is Gucci. is that this is I think this is American. I don't know if they have them in Japan or not. Just a second. So normally I use right here. In this box. And he probably needs one of these. But in this box, usually handy to have pliers. I'll probably wash this. And these right here. Normally I already have some like cut that length. But just cut a bunch to have them just cut to this length. I normally just carry a bunch. Yeah. This is about the right size. And then so eventually this is gonna run off or run out or get too short. Yeah. So usually this it's better to use the pliers. See, it comes right out. Then I'll just fold it. And then just gotta, sometimes it gets stuff inside there, so it's kind of hard, but just get in there like that. Oop. See how it comes like that. But so sometimes, just to make it even better, because sometimes it come out, I just give it a good, yeah, so this should be fine. See how this is a little longer? Yeah. And I say normally use this one here. And he should know how to use that. And just some more in there. And let's go talk about the stuff that we need to cut. Probably the more important stuff in the back. Oh, and ask them to be careful, right? Because with the flying rocks. So this right here is their tea with chop.
Huh.
And these right here. So just be careful because they come in harvested. So tell them to be careful with this.
I told him to don't touch this side.
Okay. Well, so from here, I normally start right here with the lawnmower. And then you know, so here with the lawnmower. Here, you can get up in here with the lawnmower. Or you can use the weed eater, whatever. But it's easy with the lawnmower. I can normally do a little bit with the lawnmower, but right here, so I don't know if these, well this, I don't know if they're gonna survive or not, but be careful with this. I bought a tangerine today, so I'm gonna replace this. But just kind of be careful here. And then, you know, all the way to the top, right? So all this right here, he could do with the lawnmower. In 30 minutes, he'll be done. All these here are blueberries. I know this one is dead. I'm gonna replace it. And normally, like with the lawnmower, I could come up here to there and do that, and then go down once, maybe twice. But if you go any further, the other day the lawnmower almost went down. I had to fight it. I think he might not be able to. And right here, and I'm gonna put some of the mulch around it. So here and here, these two are hydrangeas. So be careful. So the rest right here is gonna have to be with the weed eater. And then, oh, check out this freaking cherry tree. It's late, isn't it?
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh. Yeah, but I pruned it a little bit this year. And obviously blueberry there. Be careful with this blueberry. There's a blueberry over here. I mean, those should be common sense, right? The only thing is those over there have not been able to protect them yet. See, that, I don't know what this is. I think previous years it wasn't blooming. Not really sure. It's ume?
No, I don't think
I
so.
don't think so, huh? Some sort of plum or something. I don't see any fruits on it yet, but anyways. Forgot what that is. Taki. This one died. I remember I was telling you.
Uh-huh.
Probably like a pear tree or something here. And check out, check out the ume.
Huh. Kawaii.
Yeah. But the other one down there is full. Okay, so then you got real shoes on. Okay. So then down here with the weed eater.
Konnichiwa.
They're all here with the weed eater.
Okay.
And then here is 2 Shiba Sakura. So ask them to be careful. And actually there's up here too. Yeah, I forgot about these up here. Let's go ahead and do this real quick though. So put a Shiba Sakura up here too. Eventually I want to get this whole thing full, like top to bottom. And then the same on that side.
すごいじゃん、いちご。
うん。 I told you they look really healthy. I don't see any lots of
いちごと。
flowers. But yeah, they're looking real good. This one's flowering. I'm gonna go ahead and get some papuchi here while I'm at it. See, oh, this is getting like way too big now. It's the top part. See, I need to leave some to start seeding. Whew. Yeah. I need to plant some little ones. So yeah, all here and all around there. Weed eater. And over there. But just when you get over there, you gotta be careful, right? Because you're getting too close to the window.
Window.
And then there's the blueberry. So one thing I
そ
want
こ
to
に
do.
植えたら邪魔やんか。If you're gonna break down the brick.
No, I mean it'll be fine. I thought about that. Because I'm gonna break down up to here, or maybe to here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So no, it'll be fine. So I'm experimenting. This side, that side, over there, where they do better. There's a reason why I put it there. So yeah, look at all the.
あ、出てきてるじゃん。
I'm pretty sure that is the
White clover.
white clover, yeah.
すごいじゃん、なんか。
Kind of similar to up there. I'd rather have white clover than weeds like that. So, and then go over here. Like I say, I mean, there's a lot of this stuff, by hand that you could do as well. All up in here. Here too, you just gotta be careful. Like when I do it, I'm very slow. Careful. And then,
なんでここだけ何もない？
oh, because there was like some stumps right here, so they cut those.
タケノコが。
So yeah, so all this right here, and all that down there, and all through up there. And I gotta come and get some takenoko. And then and again, the time permitting,
The
Over there.
opposite side, yeah.
and starting with that top, but eventually when it gets bad on the other side, you could do down there too. So I think that's it. Thank you.